you'll become so powerful that no one will be able to tell you what to do. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works. Hey guys, so today I'll show you to get free Sapphires in Animal Jam. So this is real, guys. You have got to try it. Let me show you. So as you can see, the Sapphire count is so low, bro. But look at this mod menu button with free Sapphires. So I'll turn it on. And then the Sapphires should rise. So as you can see, this is what we're working with right now. So hopefully it goes up. So let's see what happens. And yeah, we're going to be good to go. And bang, guys, there we go. So I'm going to show you how to download this. So let's get into it. So this is super cool. So yeah. Alright, so all you have to do is go to tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. So on this site, guys, just type in Animal Jam, press install, and then the verification's the last step. So you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% free from official app stores. So you can see the little Apple and Android logos right there, so it does work on both, which is awesome. So I'm just going to wait for this to load, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get it for your device so you can have free Sapphires, because who doesn't want free Sapphires, right? So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So let's just give it a second for this to load up. As you can see, so yeah, it's loading right now. So we're just going to give it a second for this to finish. Alright, and now it's going to say missing files. So we just got to download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11. Lucky Match, you got to reach level 10 or whatever. So just make sure you do 2 of them. You're going to be good to go. But that's how to get it for your device. So if you guys need free Sapphires in Animal Jam, be sure to try this out because it actually works. And it's super cool. So yeah, some people hate certain apps. So if that's the case, just do a different one. And there's also a tutorial here you can watch if you're lost. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, bro. This is legit. So nice.